back to the channel. We got a big episode today. I'm getting the old 8770 New Holland Tractor out of the storage shed, bringing it up to the shop. We're gonna start working on that PTO because I don't know if you guys remember, we could never get that thing to go. I'd hook it up to the grain cart and it would spin and then catch and spin and catch, and I took it apart, find all these crazy gears in there. So we're gonna do a lot of maintenance on that today. Grandpa and Larry are finishing up their big buy. They bought a ripper this weekend, basically 2 miles south of the border on Nebraska. There's old Larry out there feeding cows. So they drove all the way up to Nebraska, picked up this ripper, brought it back. They're working on it, so we'll finish that up this morning. Then we'll go get the old New Holland Tractor and tear into that, and hopefully the damage isn't too bad in it, but I have a feeling it's gonna be catastrophic. Boom! What is going on? Think we can lift this up? Good thing you shot those away from them.
Yeah. The only way I could do it.
That's a big old nasty weld, but you can only do what you can do out here. That's a miracle nobody died on out. Oh yeah? Tell us about it, Blaine.
Put it down. Pull it.
Yeah?
There it comes here.
Oh,
that.
just like that. That's
Yep.
nice.
Yep.
Well, now we got the ripper all welded up. Blaine's gonna take me to my big tractor, and we're gonna
rip the ground with that.
Oh, we're gonna rip the rip the ground with my tractor, huh?
Rip it.
Not your tractor.
Rip it.
This is also, in case you guys didn't know, it's a Bush hoe.
They also make mowers.
Do they really?
Yeah. Grandpa, what'd you pay for this? Too much.
We went to Nebraska to get it too. We've been to Nebraska a couple times.
I wouldn't have paid $1 over 1,000.
Either would I. If you paid over $1,000 for this, it's too much.
On our way back through Nebraska. Piece of shit for $1,000.
We're gonna go get my tractor started. Blaine looks good in my service wagon. Looks dang good in it. What a bunch of crap. Jeez. God, this thing stinks like frickin' mice over here. Jeez. Well, you think she'll start or not? Well, might as well try. Let her warm up. It's been clicking. Anything yet? I'm not getting a good connection. Should have brought some ether. I didn't bring any ether.
Get my Windex back out of here. But I got this gallon can, don't throw it away.
Okay.
I need to put it back with the drill.
Well, it just clicked off. Well, you just gotta have the right touch to get her going. You know, my tractor knows me, that's what it is. Blaine can't start full tractors for nothing. Something did take a big old poop on here. He's gonna have to wash that off. This is the first time I've drove this tractor in the winter, and I'm really hoping that the heater works in here because I'm a little bit chilled. It's cold with that north wind today. Well, good news, the heater works. So now I'm sweating my external genitalia off. It's getting hot in here, boys. It's getting really hot. Made it to the shop, thank God. Heater works, that's good to know. So we're gonna put old piece of junk blue in the shop here, and then Larry and Grandpa are gonna put their 5488 in the shop. So we have 2 tractors in here, so we get lots of good maintenance and work done on this stuff. Here comes the 5488. Hopefully Larry doesn't hit old piece of junk blue here. So I've never done this before, but according to the internet, we take this off, pop this out the back, and there's our clutch pack that should be in about 1,000 pieces. So we're gonna get this whole thing drained of hydraulic fluid.
Blaine, did you go cruising in the old Toyota?
Yeah, he went down and seen the neighbors, Drossmeyers. They were out there working on their new house.
Who's that?
Drossmeyers. Oh shit, that ain't good.
Well, you might want to wait till we spread oil out there. Why do I want to wait? So we can spread oil. Well, I'm going to drive it clear up in the front. Okay. I don't think we'll have anything outside.
Damn kids, I tell you what.
Yeah. Give them books. Give them books. Color code on that.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna tell those apart.
Way too big. Yeah.
Too big.
Only one selling down here for it.
Some repair shop this is. We can't even find the right wrenches or sockets to go on here. So now I'm gonna move on to plan B, which is replacing this light switch. Let's see if these lights work now. Okay, there's nothing. There's no lights there. Not now. There's some lights. About now. Huh. No work lights there, down here. Oh, back up there. Okay. Dang it. So I've struck out twice over here in this tractor. Let's go over and see how Blaine's doing in the 5488. Are you having any more luck over here with GPS or auto steer than I am? I've struck out twice so far in my tractor.
Yeah. Like me trying to buy pickups. Struck out.
Get it?
No. Somebody been rounded this son of a bitch off.
They don't know what the heck they're doing up there at the old GPS, so we're gonna take off this internal screen yet again. Get all this cleaned out too. Yeah, I got all that crap off. Let that drain for a minute before we take that screen out on the inside of it. Golly. There's more crap in there, I see it. That's never a good sign.
Yeah.
Like, where did that even come from? All the metal in there. Yeah. That's not good. That should not look like that. Good gravy. Well, Grandpa just made it back from the neighbors. Went to borrow some of their big metric tools. So we got a wrench and a socket 30. Pop all that stuff off. Shout out to everybody at Garrison Farms. Thank you for the tools. Appreciate it. I'm sure Grandpa will return them shortly. Nope.
Don't think so.
Nope. Plan B.
But you had 3/4 drive, socket and everything, you know.
I know.
It didn't work.
30?
Playing E or F or elemental P. I don't know what we're on right now. Dang it.
If you don't want to use that, you just unplug it and pull that off.
That's gonna make sure that right. Split it down.
Who needs an impact?
That's right. We got Larry and a hammer.
Got a Larry,
Man.
a Larry wrench.
I'm glad you went to school.
Good thing we borrowed that wrench.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might have to buy him a new one.
Thanks, Garrisons.
Down below.
There's that one. There's that one. Don't lose those.
You got them numbered.
Yep.
Left, right, up, down.
Yep. Now we just gotta pry this damn deadgum thing off. See, I knew a hammer would work. Nobody listened to me. I can't believe we got it out. Yeah, I think all this is supposed to be built up.
Well, there's gotta be something to connect this to this.
Yeah.
That's where your clutch pads are.
Yep.
That's where they got grooves on the inside and grooves on the outside.
Yep.
You slip them in there.
Oh, I know where those other pieces are. I pulled them out earlier. How bad's it looking there?
Got shit for days to pull out.
Oh my gosh.
Might save that one. They
Yeah,
don't look
that's.
too
Can you get a part number off that? Yeah, there you go. Good job.
good. You are
Screwed.
on this side and this side.
Yep, all those small parts.
And I don't know what holds them in. See, that's just one of these that's bent over.
Yep.
There's no teeth left on this.
They all gone. Yep.
But I don't know, the rest of it I think is all right. All you need is clutch pad.
Yeah.
Oh, I think so.
Oh man, there's crap down there. Oh, good gravy. I don't know if you can see all that crap down there at the bottom. Dude, you ain't joking. You wanna buy a tractor?
Tried to.
Oh, you tried.
Sight unseen.
I want your tractor.
Good thing that's your tractor, because this is your expense. See, this is what I'm doing.
Oh yeah. That's nice. That's real nice. I think that's it. There's just a bunch of metal shavings in there I gotta get out. But good Lord. That's crazy. Nice.
Oh, move your damn foot.
If you wouldn't have such a good hip.
I know it.
Ain't going nowhere. Holy cow, what a day. That was, I haven't worked that hard in a long time. And of course that clutch was in 1,000 pieces, which I knew it was, but man, that sucked. Now I gotta take it into the shop. No trains coming, good. No trains, all right, good. Then they'll put all that back together, slap that baby back in. We got ourselves a new grain cart tractor, watch out. Thank you guys for watching for today's episode, and I want to give a huge shout out again to Garrison's Farm for supplying the 30mm socket and wrench. Thank you to Garrison Farms. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe.